Here I'm going to show you our email marketing's save and send feature and the different filters available to you in that option. So once you've created your email marketing campaign, you're going to click save and send when you're ready to send it. You'll see here you have the option of choosing all clients, active clients, repeat clients, leads, and marketing contacts. For this one, I'm going to stick with all clients. I'm going to add an additional filter here, and you have the option of session type, date of most recent session, or group. For this one, I'm going to go by date. I'd like to send all of my clients a thank you from last year. So those who had a session between the dates of, we're going to go January 1st till December 31st. And it's going to bring up all of the clients. It will tell you up here how many it was. And if you decide you would like an additional filter, you could add another one, and you could go by specific session type or a group that you've created and add that in here. So if it was a specific just to your engagement clients from those times, and then you would hit send, and so you can see how many clients it will be sending to in that specific type of session. So that is our filters for email marketing. Let us know if you have any questions.